Hello everyone, welcome to Neurasapiens.
In today's tutorial, we'll look at the Python string method isalnum. So this is the alphanumeric method which returns true if all characters in the string are alphanumeric and there is at least one character. Otherwise, it will be false. So the syntax here is you have your string object followed by the dot notation, and then the function is alnum, and then opening and closing parentheses. So there are no parameters for the string method. And so the string we're going to work with here is the example string here, Python underscore design. So Python's design philosophy emphasizes code readability with its use of significant indentation. And so to actually use this method and check, you can pass into the print function here, our variable Python design, and then dot is alnum. So this would return false because it's not alphanumeric. There is no numbers in the string. And so we have false there as output. Now, alternative is we can add in, say, the number 1 followed by the dot and then the word string and check, is this alphanumeric? So this will also return false. Reason is because of the full stop. So we have false here. And so if we change the full stop here to a white space, this also returns false. It's not alphanumeric. And the reason for this is due to the white space between the 1 and the word string. And so an alternative is, taking the example above, we can create a new string. All right, so let's create a new Python string. And for the string, we'll add in the integer 1 followed by dot, and then Python's design philosophy emphasizes code readability with its use of significant indentation, and then check, is this new Python string an alphanumeric? So also false, and this is due to both issues are actually present here. So one is the punctuation, so the full stop and the period at the very end. So the period at the beginning, the full stop at the end, and then also the apostrophe here for Python and S, but also due to the white space. So this is why it returns false. So now if you have only characters, which is alphanumeric, so just alphabetical characters and only numbers, like here, one string, without any punctuation and no white space, this will return true. So this is how you apply the isalnum method to check if a string is alphanumeric.
If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe and click the notification bell for weekly videos. Please share the video with anyone who you think would benefit from the content, and comment below what topics you would like to learn. If you would like to support this channel and have the means to do so, the best way will be via my Patreon link in the description below. Happy learning, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.